I am Sihle Masinda, Club Keep Going the whole way, all around fitness enthusiast from Soweto, Orlando East. I've been running alone for a very long time, and it's this year that I've just been stuck on like community. When you feel like you can't go another step, you can't go another mile, another kilometer, you have people being like, hey, I'm with you, I'll take you through this. David Goggins says, if you do one thing every day, what are you finding out about yourself? I have my thing called Club Keep Going. It's an ethos. It's a way of living, a standard you set for yourself to always keep going. I called it the mantra. What does this really mean for me? I know it's in the words, keep going, club, keep going. But how does that encompass and infuse community? I can't be by myself. I can't exist in a silo. So the club makes it feel like it's a community. Sometimes you have to be willing to do things your own way. And people have their ways of approaching certain tasks. But sometimes you have to be daring enough to be like, I think I'm going to do it this way. I've seen some people do it this way, and just trust yourself.